Hello everyone, I'm Pharmacist Michael, and today, because it's so beautiful outside, I am going to show you how to barbecue a tri-tip, make a delicious pasta salad, and really get your dinner ready with very little effort. Just a little time is all you need for this. So stay tuned. I think you guys are going to like this one.
Welcome to Pharmacist Michael's Happy Healthy Living channel, where you will learn how to improve your life, one video at a time.
I'm going to start with a tri-tip roast. You can see I trimmed some of the fat off there. We don't need that. And then there's the other side. I'm just going to season this. Okay, as you can see, it's seasoned well. I did both sides, and now we're gonna go outside. Okay guys, I'm gonna use a Traeger for this, and the reason I like a Traeger is because it's got this nice dial here where I can set it to where I want it, and I want this to be very, very low temperature. So I'm just gonna throw it on here, and then we'll check it out in a little while. Okay, in order to make this pasta salad, all I really need is some rainbow rotini, some crumbled blue cheese, some sliced olives, some chunky blue cheese dressing, some kidney beans, and a couple of different kinds of sharp cheddar cheese. You could use jack cheese, you could use Swiss cheese, whatever you want. I'm just going to cook the noodles. I'm going to cut up the cheese, and I am going to make a sauce with just the blue cheese and the blue cheese crumbles. It's going to be yummy. First we cube up the yellow cheddar, and then I'm going to cube up my sharp white Tillamook cheddar and add that to the bowl. You can see my water is boiling, so I can add the pasta, 2 boxes. Okay, pasta has been added, so now I'm going to let it cook for 10 minutes. Okay, so next we're going to stop the pasta from cooking by rinsing it with cold water. And then we'll be ready to start putting this together. I have to make sure it's good and cooled down first. Okay, so here we go. There's my pasta. I'm gonna add the cheese to that. Add the beans to that. And then some olives. The olives go next. A little bit of juice is okay. I like a little bit of juice in there. Gives the sauce a little bit more flavor. Then I'm going to add an entire container of blue cheese crumbles. You wouldn't have to add this. I just love blue cheese, and so does Joshua. One more ingredient. And finally, I'm going to add some of this dressing. And then I'm just going to stir this all up, guys. When it's all done, it looks like that. This is by far my favorite pasta salad. I just love this stuff. When the meat's done, it looks like that. Yummy. I wouldn't cook it that long, but that's the way the family likes it, so I usually take it off earlier, but it's going to be yummy no matter what. Be sure to check out my other recipes here on YouTube, and if you know somebody who you think would enjoy this video, please send it to them. Please subscribe to my channel for more happy, healthy living information. Check out the links down in the description section of this video as well. My name is Pharmacist Michael. Be happy and be healthy.